The ajDBGetLOB function downloads a file from a binary large object column or get a big string from a character large object column from a database table. Before we start, please note that to run this function in Excel, you would need to set up the data source connection in the External Resources worksheet. Please refer to AJ documentation website for how to set up the data source connection. In another video ajDBUpdateLOB, we have uploaded a Word document to the record with ID equal to 1001 in TB_ supporting _doc table. We would use ajDBGetLOB function to download the file in this video. To use this function, Lobinfo table and DB Schema component are required. Let's add DB Schema worksheet first. In AlchemyJ ribbon, click Add Component and select DB Schema. It will ask for the table name. Type TB_ supporting _doc. And it will load the table structure from the database automatically. The table schema address is A4 to R10. Select a blank cell, click Insert Snippet and choose Lobinfo. A blank Lobinfo table is inserted. This table is used to specify the metadata of the large object. In this case, it is the Word file we want to download. These columns are for downloading a file from a BLOB field. And these CLOB columns are for getting a big string from a text column. Let's input the Lobinfo. The LOB content field is the column name which stores the file. The column name is content. The second column is LOB content folder. Input the folder path we would like to save the file. We can specify the field name of file name in the third column or specify the file name in the fourth column directly. Let's input a new file name here. That's all for the components. Now we can use the ajDBGetLOB function. Select any cell and type equal, then ajDB. A list of AJ database functions will be shown. Select ajDBGetLOB. Then open the parameter window by clicking here. The first parameter is table name. We input TB_ supporting _doc. The second parameter is Lobinfo. We input the Lobinfo range that we just defined. The next parameter is filter type. Set the filter type to 0, which means we shall input the filtering condition using the SQL where clause syntax. In the filter condition, we set the condition to ID equal to 1001. For how to use filter condition 1 and 2, please refer to AJ documentation website filter condition snippet for more details. Next, input the address of the table schema. Set the last parameter run by function point only to false so that the function will be executed immediately. It is for this training video purpose only. In most cases, this parameter should be omitted or be true to avoid the function to be executed whenever Excel calculates the workbook. Click Calculate Sheet. The number of affected records is returned. The file was downloaded to the specified folder successfully. That is all for this video. Thank you for watching.